I'm not lie to you, girl. I'm happy with Jabass Day. I'm happy with Jabass Day. I swear to you, I'm happy with. Look here. I love my Jay. I love my Jay. Nobody can take a Jay from me. I want to hear me chat about Jay. I love my Jay. But two of them come together, a strong power that. You see me? And some people where half a camera, they motivate you. Them two people. And that's why people don't want to see me around them. That's why people don't want to see me. Jay have him ways, you know. But Jay know where I do. A lot of you guys don't. You know exactly where I do. And Jabass, me rate Jabass on a level, you see it. And I know people now go want to see me around them. Thank you, baby. Yeah, people are going to fight against me, try to push me because they say me not belong. And that them a look for me. But people, them not look for me, so they look for me, so if I make it like anybody else and then love me, pitney them. And that me I tell you, they run any joke with me, pitney them. Any joke, they thank you, they run with me, pitney them. You see me?